Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisha Farhana binti Rahman. Today, I will be present the analysis of profit of startups. So this is the description of data for our project. Our source of data is taken from the kaggle.com named startups. Our population and sample is taken for 50 population. Because the population is considered as a small population, we take the 50 population into our sample. As for our variable, we have 5 variables in our data. Consists of 4 independent variables and 1 dependent variable. Our dependent variable is profit, which consists of the profit for each state for past few years. And our independent variable consists of research and development spend, administration, marketing spends, and states. Our state here consists of 3 states, which is California, Florida, and New York. Move on to the next slide. This is the research objective for our project. As for me, I will take the second objective in our project, which is to determine whether there is a difference in profit among different states in using ANOVA table. Move on to the next slide. This is the methodology. So this is the second method that we use for our project, which is analysis of variant ANOVA F-test using SAS programming. For the command, we are using proc ANOVA data as our command, as shown here. Analysis of variant ANOVA test is used to analyze whether there is a significant difference between the dependence variable or not. For here, this is a hypothesis testing, which consists of hash node and hash 1. Hash node consists of there is no significant difference between the independent variable, whereas the hash null, there is a significant difference between the dependent variable. We want to conclude if the data is significant if the p value is less than 0.05 or the alpha value. So this is the command that we use for our data. Proc ANOVA data equals to project.startup class, as we want to identify state, and we want to use the profit as our model. Profit equal to state, and we type run. Next, this is the result and analysis for our project. So this is the output for our analysis of variant ANOVA F-test. The output shown using the SAS programming tool. As you can see from the output, it consists of the source of variation, degree of freedom, sum of square, mean of square, F value, and P value. From the output, we can see our P value is 0.5667, which is more than alpha value of 0.05. This concludes that we are failed to reject the H null hypothesis. As the conclusion, we conclude there is no significant difference in the average of profit among 3 startup states. As conclusion, from our second objective, by performing the ANOVA test table, we can conclude that there is no significant difference in average profit among 3 startup states, which is Florida, New York, and California.